Hey, what's up? Welcome to DGenEd. That's degenerative education, meaning none of this is financial advice. Just me having fun looking at charts, like the chart behind me, which is of Hycroft Mining, ticker symbol HYMC. And here I am recording this on Monday, June 24th, after the market has closed, and Hycroft closed at a price of $2.35, being down 3.69% on the day, and it has come down pretty substantially since the beginning of June when it was trading up around $3.50, now at $2.35. And so I wanted to go over the chart because it's been a little while, and I do think that it may be finding a bottom soon, or at least I do think there will be better dip buying opportunities in the very near future because there are some converging lines that I'm pretty excited about, so I wanted to go over them with you guys. And so basically what we have here is this Fibonacci retracement going from the low hit on November 15th when there was a 1 for 10 reverse split, and so that price was $1.63, and then the high up here is $4.65 hit on April 12th. So that is how I get that retracement. And I did mark a couple lines on here that stood out to me, one being the purple line at $4 a share, corresponding with the 236 at $3.94, right around there. We are, of course, much lower than that. And we were just recently around this yellow line at 275, which lands perfectly in the golden pocket, ranging between the 65% retracement and the 618, ranging from $2.69 up to $2.78. And, we have broken below that, but there is a level to the downside that could be acting as support, which is the 786. And that is at a price of $2 and right around 28 cents. So coming down about 7 more cents, we might be finding some support there. But what stands out to me as being a little bit more compelling, and also because prices always tend to go a little lower than I expect, I do have this orange line drawn here at $2.19, corresponding with, let's see, the high from November 10th. And then we did see that level acting as resistance over here, as well as over here, and then with a wick down to that level on January 5th, and then some consolidation above it here as well. And then right along that level before this big move to the upside. So, 219 to 228 seems like maybe there's some support there. Maybe price will be settling around that level before making some attempts to the upside. And another level that I actually wanted to draw up on here in the video is going from the low here at 163 and then connecting to the low hit on March 1st, which is at 187. And so I'm just going to adjust those levels here so they are drawn to the penny. And so now you can see that's done, locking that in place. And I'm actually going to make that line a little bit thicker. And let's see, I'm going to color it green. And so there we can see that level does also seem to converge with these two lines that I had just gone over, connecting with the orange line around July 19th, so about a month from now, and then connecting with the upper level, the 786, around, a month after that, so about August 21st. And so, I could see price coming down to that range, settling around there, maybe finding some support before starting to make some attempts to the upside, like getting back to 275 or the 50% level here at 3.14 pi. That number haunts all of the charts. But yeah, maybe price will be getting up there, but I do think that it needs to pull back to at least 228, likely 219, maybe even going to $2 a share before finding a bottom, testing these levels as support before confirming that they are holding and then moving to the upside. And by confirming, I mean not getting closes below these levels. If we start to see closes below, let's say, this uptrend, I do definitely think that we could be going to $2 a share, which is right around here. Maybe we get some wicks down to that level, and it does also seem to correspond with the price action over here. So maybe there is some support found right around $2, and maybe that is a great dip buying opportunity while still holding, while still forming higher lows, suggesting that price will be continuing higher in the future. But right now, as we have seen it bleed for basically the past 3 weeks, I think it's going to continue for this one more week and then maybe start to consolidate for maybe a month before we start to see some upside. So, these things are slow, and they're designed to be slow to bore people out of their positions. I think over the course of the next month, there will be some great, although boring, discounted dip buying opportunities with Hycroft, and I think the month following that, getting into August, I think we will start to see some moves to the upside, maybe getting up to $2.75 or maybe $3, $4, who knows. But those are just my thoughts. If you found them helpful, make sure you like the video, share your thoughts in the comments down below, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thanks a lot for watching.